Life, CaityB back in a building with yet another reaction video with MommaB, and we're going to be reacting to two songs today. So we're going to be doing a face-off. They're both from Melbourne. So one group is called 37's Welcome to the Hood. They're from Melton, so that's quite a populated populated area. And the next song we're going to be reacting to is DBLOCK ENT in the Mix, and they're from Dandenong, another pretty populated area.
That was the first.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Melton's sort of like a newer area, but it's still, because it's cheaper on them, I heard.
Yet another violence.
Yep.
But let's go. Oh, also thank you to everyone that's requested for these two videos. I have their names going across the screen. Let's go.
Poly movement.
Hashtag poly movement.
Yet another violence.
Not the cool way.
They're doing that.
Oh, that came my ears.
Yeah, sweet eats were on my way. I'm saying who bought up good?
What common name? The ring.
Oh, that boy eats one. Straight walk.
No TNs.
My two brothers.
One Tongan.
We'll just give me 1-4 vibes. HP boys here.
3-7. Welcome to Hood, lads. Step right through. Let me show you what's good, cuz. We straight from the west side. 3-3 months on the map, full stop, no question. Welcome to Hood, lads. Step right through. Let me show you what's good, cuz. We straight from the west side. 3-3 months on the map, full stop, no question.
This is my hood class, this is my crew. We sort out that big 10 trips, nothing new. G, fire the whip, hurry up, let's urge. The goal, my G, that's me. So the turn, pull out the sick, let it go, shit burst and jet off quick as a sign. Well, heard we rush like Warzy and like John Wick, switch on the whip and hit that.
Like John Wick, guys?
I'm the young G from the hood, wash.
John Wick's my homie, man.
Sure did.
I knew it.
Nah.
Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm loving the vibe. His voice is clean, fresh, like, I like that.
It's very fast.
Very fast, but understandable, you know? I like that one. Sorry, the internet's a bit lacking at the moment.
We rush like Warzy and like John Wick, switch on the whip and hit that gas thing. I'm the young G from the hood, what's wrong, lad? Spitting these bars that big man shook, but he left his mate to get stomped on. Should've thrown sides in my hood, shouldn't be seen in my hood. I'll do for the fame, I'll do for the looks, but best believe, lad, I'll do for the hood. Fucking earth, lad, I'll do for the hood.
Welcome to Hood, lads. Step right through. Let me show you what's good, cuz. We straight from the west side. 3-3 months on the map, full stop, no question.
Still haven't learned their lesson, still want more cause I claim their
Must be a
venture. Holding
Kenza.
it down for my crew, no question. Never
Rainbow
listen
Six.
to the off-bar press, we stepped in my hood, so I know what's good. 3-7, max my hood, man. Sign these shook,
it's
left
a
for hoods,
rundown.
don't do for the fame, but I'll do for the hood. Been in the game since 01-3, the boys kick back, we taking chips and now listen. Want to talk about scores, but our scores were odd when I finished the up, so I miss it. Don't come to me, but listen. All the score points in my hood, all them down boys, my set. 3-3, we're doing it best.
Welcome to Hood, lads. Step right through. Let me show you what's good, cuz. We straight from the west side. 3-3 months on the map, full stop, no question.
7 since 07, always held stuff for my brethren. Hooking to the dentist, what did I tell me? Tell them cause I'm but those fucking phony. Pull up your fist for the one-on-one. Step to my hood, lad. If you want some, step to 7, you're gonna get caught. Talking about that shit, but you never get done. You don't want to smoke, like. I'll leave your boys in a body pack. We took that trip, then we tipping dash. I was on I'm going to do this and that. Tell me where the ops are punched on. Ain't got no love for the ops in the blue. Wanna take that chip, leave your mark on my shoes. Hit that gas when I see when the green light. Face like case the.
It's a common thing, eh? Like it seems deja vu, their lyrics.
Yeah.
Like I've heard them before. They seem very young.
Yeah. Even the name reminds me of 32 and the way it's written.
They seem very young.
Very young.
So they must have had a lot of run-ins with Men in Blue.
Just looking at it, just that snippet where the cops are talking to them, they're just like... It's like reminds me of me when my mom's about to give me a headache.
That's right. Put the fear in your eyes, mate.
Fear in my eyes for days.
Welcome to Hood, lads. Step right through. Let me show you what's good, cuz. We straight.
Excuse the Wi-Fi fams. Mum, can you give it the evil so it can start working, please? Put fear in your eyes, guys.
I'm gonna hotspot it soon.
Alright, let's go.
Double 3-4 months on the map, full stop, no question.
Walking the wood like step right through, let me show you what's good cuz. We straight from the west side, 3-3-4 months on the map, full stop, no question. Walking the wood like step right through, let me show you what's good cuz. We straight from the west side, 3-3-4 months on the map, full stop, no question.
37. What's good, what's goody? Hey, fucking rip that shit.
I like the quality. And the beat.
So it's 3037.
Reminds me of a documentary that you see of like the Bronx or something. I don't know what it is. The song. Yeah.
Good quality. It's
Yeah,
very
really
good.
good quality.
I
The
like
beginning.
the nice. It really, the flags really stood out.
Yeah, that tone, yeah.
Someone, the colours they stand out.
Yeah, I don't
Especially
know
the
what
blue.
effect that is. Yeah. No, the red far, bloody beautiful. I feel like it's my first time seeing someone wear a singlet.
Yeah.
Hey,
But I've
he's
never-
really stood out wearing a
Is
singlet.
that a BLK shirt? His Mum Samoa top.
Yeah, it looked like it. I think that's the BLK. in the
BLK.
corner, yeah.
Yeah, good brand. Good brand. So what do you rate it?
So I just want to say the beginning of the video put me off because I thought that was going
It
to be
was
the quality.
blurry.
Yeah, I thought that was going to be the
but-
quality. I was like, no. But good quality, fam. You guys tricked me, man. You guys got me. I
They're
like
very very young.
Very young.
I look at them and I'm thinking, oh.
You're babies.
But if this keeps you guys off the streets, if this keeps you guys out of trouble, use it to your advantage, your music, for the better, better yourselves. And
Yeah, but action what you're seeing in the song as well, because you never know.
remember, like you got the Tongan and the Samoan flag, it's unity right there. Poly movement.
That's poly movement right there.
Yeah.
I like that. And I like that it's evident that they're Tongan and Samoan, because other groups it's like, what are they like? Are they?
Find your niche.
Yeah, find
and
it.
stick to in the music world.
And this is
stick to
not
it,
too bad,
yeah.
yeah. Like I feel like they're halfway there too.
Yeah, because I'm getting the HP Boys vibe and
yeah.
But if that's you guys look up to those guys' role models,
Yeah,
then
then we
it's
get
all
it.
good.
Yeah.
But
It's
you
good
can find
start,
your
yeah.
niche to be unique.
There's probably just like a test of this is their first song, see how it goes,
Mm.
then they'll find their way. And I reckon they did really well with the song. I like it. Lyrics wise, basically similar to HP One Boys, 1-4 Boys.
HP One Boys. Wow. 1-4 HP Boys.
1-4 HP Boys. Yeah, similar vibes to that. I quite liked it. I like the quality. I like the beat, the fresh. They all got different types of voices. So it went from clear for me
Young.
to medium. Like, what was he saying? In the last one, I was like, what? Hey, I liked it.
That's good though. So
I
what
liked
you
it.
get?
I should give it an 8.
Yeah, I'll give it a 7.
I like it.
Yeah, it's only because I didn't get any lyrics.
Yeah, like I got quite a bit.
But I was looking at them and I'm looking at how young they are. And it keeps you off the streets. Good.
Let's go, boys.
Good,
Let's go.
please. Yeah.
Right, fam. So that's our rating. Let's get to the next jam, which is DBLOCK ENT in the mix feat to Dika, Ving, NC, and Frankie Deuce. I've seen that Frankie Deuce before. The art of visuals. Oh, look at that red. Beautiful.
I just see ENT.
Where is it?
Spanish.
Ooh, I've never seen that type of effect before. Oh, well, would you look at that?
What was that on?
Where's that coming from? Oh. Sort of reminds me of Suave. Oh, I like that they're combining the Bloods and the Crips.
They would never do that. There's a code.
They call us DBLOCK from the 7-5. Don't chill with the face, so I 7 ties, yeah. And all my brothers do like that. Never seen a brother hit a track like that, ayy. Pull up with a 6 like that.
Yeah,
Ayy,
it's
never seen
different.
also with tricks like that. Stick with facts, this and that. Man, city, if you're ready, better run this track, ayy. in the mix like that, whole click like that. You ain't with the shits like that. You ain't in the mix like that. You ain't built like that. We be with the shits like that. All up in the mix like that. You ain't with the shits like that. You ain't in the mix like that. You ain't.
Who are they singing it to?
I'm not too sure.
Was it just a
Probably
statement?
like opposition, yeah, like or a statement, yeah. They talk about it if you ain't
They're
about
singing
it,
to
you know?
someone.
You ain't in the mix.
This
like
poor
that.
Balangi guy
Yeah,
and his cat
yeah.
do.
Oh my god, oh hold up. Where's your
Where's your
Gucci and your no.
You ain't built like that.
The Dandenong.
It's a bit of a dead vibe, eh? Like maybe if they spin it up a bit.
Dandenong station.
Oh. Is that
Been
where the
there.
market is? Oh, that
No,
not
it's
the
the
market. Oh!
On the ground, gripping that mouth, never sleeping on the ox. Wrong to your dead God, talking to the cops, little dog, very 6 feet deep in the box. You don't want that? All my dog was in the trap and they all strapped, ready for the war like the cow dog for a pack.
Never seen that before. Unless in family. I've never seen blue and red together.
No, I've seen it with like there was a song of YG and Nipsey Hussle, I think. They're Americans, but they did a
Oh, that's nice then.
yeah. Cause I saw something about I can't remember. What it
Because you
was.
know the flag they're gonna cop with
Mm.
this, but I reckon blue looks better.
No, I reckon red. If you don't get out of my house, right? it's her house, but you know.
I'm just noticing, you know, it's so noticeable. Wow.
Some more colours right there, cause
It's been up on the map, no cap, it's the KG,
Some
double
more
SCG, TD, couple girls about beats. MMZ still active as shit, yeah, free, all I gang doing time for the creep. Stick to the script, don't talk shit, now these haters always plotting, so you gotta stay fit. My 7-5 youngins always heavy with the heat, if you want they come and try and guarantee you do the blinks. We be with the shits like that, all up in the mix like that, whole clip like that. You ain't with the shits like that, you ain't in the mix like that, you ain't built like that. We be with the shits like that, all up in the mix like that, whole clip like that. You ain't with the shits like that, you ain't in the mix like that, you ain't built like that.
Menzies.
I rap that, burn city where they burn the sticky one time for the hometown, earn it with me, and I done drill, but I know the drill. Time for the team to eat, then it's overkill. Don't fuck with the boy, I got no chill. I go blam on the mic, running for the bill. We rock the party, rock the party. We rock the party, rock the party. They gave me the call, told me to work it. I went for the jungle and ball and then turfed it.
oh, Menzies fish and chip shop.
One thing's for sure,
Must be the
two
area.
things for certain. I've been doing my thing for a minute, with no shade or game, no gimmicks. From the back to the stage, I'll be with it. Came a long way from a
I saw
never
that
minute.
shit though.
We be with the shits like that, all up in the mix like that, whole clip like that.
Catchy.
You ain't with the shits like that, you ain't in the mix like that, you ain't built like that. We be with the shits like that, all up in the mix like that, whole clip like that. You ain't with the shits like that, you ain't in the mix like that, you ain't
I
built
got
like
it.
that.
No, I forgot he was on the clip.
Menzies.
Oh, he's definitely Tongan.
Tongan.
Too
Tika
tika.
is like
Too tika.
too cool.
No,
Too
isn't
lit.
it like yeah, tika, like
Lit.
stika? Yeah,
Sticker. Set.
that's tika. Tika. Oh, my friends always say it in New Zealand, but I'm not. I don't suit saying that stuff. What do you think of Mandy?
It was a different vibe. An older crew compared to the first, the 37's. The first guy that got on, what was his? Vengeance. It's like he's singing through.
Like blocking the mic and
But we all know that you go in studio and
yeah.
so, but it really sounded muffled.
Probably hence why he used the mask
yeah.
to probably portray that muffled sound.
Whereas the other two were much more clearer.
Clearer, yeah.
Mm.
That last
Very
one was
nice.
quite hype.
Yeah. I like that it had the Crips and the blood in there. Although the Crips look much better than
no, the Bloods were. That's why it's called DBLOCK. There was nothing else. What? What?
That's why it was called DBLOCK, because it was what?
Because in the beginning it said DBLOCK in red.
Well, it makes sense though.
Only make dollars, man. Oh, too good, man. Too good.
Yeah, but it was different. It's again, never heard of these guys ever before. So thank you so much to all the subbies for requesting.
Brought it to our attention.
I mean, I guess like everyone, every area, district or suburb is going to be loyal to their artists and but you know, there'll be people low-key rooting for them, be loyal to them too. So different from Dandenong.
Yeah,
that area.
That area, yeah. Used to catch a train there all the time too. So Dandenong was like our second home for a bit.
For like 3 months or
3-4 months,
Yeah. Cranbourne.
Oh, they're chicos.
So far.
Chicos.
But yeah, it's really. I give that 8. It was more. Well, I like it more relatable.
Yeah.
Because they're older and I could understand what they were saying and I forgot what they were saying, but the unity. I like that. I like that they let the red in. They normally would just leave the red
usually
out.
we'll push the blue to the side. But we're like, come on boys, join this one for the one time. Yeah. See, that's why we leave them out, because it's the little smell they come off. Yeah. See, guys, don't talk back to your parents, eh?
Yeah.
We kill all their muffs, man. I give it a 7. 7. Yeah, that was 7. Not too bad. Yeah, I like the mix. The clip, I felt like the clip editing was a bit better towards the end, I feel like. I don't know, it's different. Here's to another Melbourne group, fam, so.
Burn City,
let's see how it goes, man.
Anyway, Poly Movement fams. Support. You may like them, you know, educate us on what they're all about, I don't know.
I don't know, for some reason listening to a song reminded me of that song that goes bum ba doo bee dum ba doo ba doo bee. I don't know why.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, fam. Stay safe, fam. Don't forget. I said Poly Movement. Hope you guys enjoyed. Much love. Stay safe. Stay hydrated. Keep warm. See you guys next video.
Stay blessed.
Dad.